Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HPI Auto. My name is Kendall, for those that don't know me. We're starting this video off in a 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo. This is the LP generation that we're starting to get into, and this one is crazy built. This is a wide body, three-piece wheels, airlift suspension, exhaust. I think it's got a tune on it. I can't remember exactly, but this one is sick. I'm really excited to show you guys this one. We just got it on a trade-in, so yeah, let's just get into it. So before we get way too into it, I wanted to show you guys the interior of this LP. You got a nice black interior, and then you also have really nice carbon fiber pieces that I believe have just been put in from the previous owner. And then you have an updated Kenwood head unit right there. You've got more of those carbon fiber accents right there. Overall, just a clean, simple black interior. These are fully adjustable seats. As you can see in the back, you've got kicker audio system installed. So you've got an upgraded audio system. And I will show you that. You can see my bag is down there because the Alpine system and I believe the Air suspension system takes up most of the room, if not all of the room in the frunk space. That in just a second. But yeah, my bag's down here. So there's not too much room inside the LP Gallardo, but it's not too bad. I mean, this one is probably more of a show car, more of a stance car, and it's obviously a very nice build. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the crazy part on the outside, but let me first air out on the Airlift three-piece suspension system. If you guys don't know what Airlift is, this is the controller that helps you set your preset ride and go up manually, and you can also just completely air out. But when you do start this LP, the good thing about it is that the ride height is automatically set up. So that way, if you are aired out on the airlift suspension, you can just turn the car on and it'll go ahead and raise you up to your preset ride height. This one does have an IPE exhaust on there, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that one just in a second too. But as you can see, this is the preset ride height that we have. You can see it starts to air out, and it'll tell you right there on the top, air out, and boom, we're completely aired out. As you can probably tell, we are completely aired out, so it's going to be a little bit harder to get out. But this is what we're working with right here. So this is an authentic Liberty Walk wide body kit from Liberty Walk, the company based over in Japan. Like I just said, this is an authentic kit on this car. It's sitting on custom three-piece BC forged wheels right there. As you can see, it's a really nice fitment right there. I believe these tires they look like brand new Pilot Sport 4S's on there. So these are 295, 25, 20s on the back, and I believe those are going to be 19s in the front. So it's a staggered setup, but 295s on the back, not too shabby. But this is the most insane part of this Gallardo. Look at how wide that is. That fitment is absolutely clean. As you can see, this is a tucked fitment right here, which it's sitting right there on the lip of the wheel. Up front, it just kind of sits on the tire just a little bit, but it's completely tucked in there. Oh my God, I think it looks sick. I love the updated LP taillights. They're a lot slimmer, more modern looking, and it's just a better taste and better look in my opinion. You got the red with the black. I think this just looks so sick. It's so clean in my opinion. Now the Liberty Walk kit does come with a wing. You can option for it or you don't have to get it. I think this is really clean without the wing, to be honest with you guys. So this is the frunk space. Like I said earlier, there's literally no room in here. So you've got the compression tanks right there for the airlift system. You got the Alpine system and the JL audio system right there. So it's all just neatly packed in there. This is what it looks like at its ride height position. It's not too bad. It does rub a little bit, but it's not too bad. If you know how to drive a stance car, you know how to drive a lowered car especially, it's not going to be too bad at all. But pretty good. Definitely, you get about maybe 3 fingers. Again, you get pretty good clearance for this car. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I don't know if I love this car more or less than the F430. As you guys know, Evan sold that one a little bit ago. I really wish both of them were here so we could kind of do like a really cool video with both, you know, stance cars or build cars that we have. Either way, I don't know. Do I like this more? I kind of like how the F430 drives and feels. Kind of like how this one looks more. But if you are interested in this LP Gallardo, I've left the link in the description below so you can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this LP Gallardo. I think it's a great car. I really recommend it. I think it's really fun. It's definitely a head turner. And if you're into the stance scene, if you're into cars that are, you know, stands out, built out, and go to shows and whatnot. I think this is a really good car to start with, especially with a authentic Liberty Walk kit on it. I think it's sick. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.